Ginger tea isn't just a drink, it's a health boost in a cup. Studies show it can reduce inflammation by up to 25%, cut nausea symptoms in half, and even improve metabolism for better weight management, all with just 1 cup a day. Let's dive into the benefits of ginger tea that only few people know, effects that could transform your daily health in ways you wouldn't expect. Supports immune system. Let's talk about the way ginger tea can seriously boost your immune system. Ginger is packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that are like nature's own defense force for your body. When you drink ginger tea, these compounds start working to protect your cells from damage, helping you lower your chances of getting sick. Research shows that antioxidants are essential because they combat oxidative stress, which is when harmful molecules in your body, called free radicals, start causing cell damage. This damage can lead to chronic diseases and a weakened immune system over time, making you more vulnerable to infections and illness. Ginger also has potent anti-inflammatory properties, which means it helps reduce inflammation in your body. Inflammation is a natural immune response, but when it's constant, like when it's triggered by stress, an unhealthy diet, or exposure to pollutants, it can wear down your immune system. By lowering inflammation, ginger tea allows your immune system to focus on real threats like bacteria and viruses, instead of constantly reacting to the small irritants that can overwhelm it. Additionally, ginger has shown antiviral and antibacterial properties, making it effective in fighting off certain pathogens. So, just a cup of ginger tea a day can actually give your immune system that extra support it needs, especially during cold and flu season. Enhances weight loss. Ginger tea isn't just an immune booster, it can also help with weight management, which is one of its more popular benefits. Drinking ginger tea regularly can actually help increase your metabolism. A faster metabolism means your body is more efficient at burning calories, which can be a big plus if you're trying to lose or maintain weight. When you drink ginger tea, certain compounds in ginger, like gingerol and shogol, help kickstart thermogenesis, which is the process of generating heat in your body. This process naturally requires energy, so it can burn calories as a result. Another reason ginger tea is great for weight management is that it helps control appetite. Studies show that ginger can help you feel fuller longer, so you're less likely to reach for snacks between meals. Drinking a warm cup of ginger tea, especially in the morning, can help curb cravings that might lead to overeating throughout the day. Plus, ginger tea has been found to aid in fat burning, making it a simple addition to your routine that can have real positive effects. A 2019 study in Critical Reviews in Food Science and Nutrition found that ginger does play a supportive role in weight management, which is promising for anyone looking for natural, easy ways to manage their weight. Controls blood sugar levels. One more powerful benefit of ginger tea is its ability to help regulate blood sugar levels, which is especially beneficial for people managing diabetes or at risk of developing it. Ginger has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity and lower blood sugar levels, which can help stabilize energy and prevent the highs and lows that can make you feel tired or irritable. When blood sugar levels are stable, it's easier to manage cravings and avoid the crash that often leads to overeating sugary or high-carb foods. In fact, a study published in the Iranian Journal of Pharmaceutical Research found that ginger consumption could significantly lower blood sugar levels. For those with type 2 diabetes, this is significant, as stable blood sugar levels are key to preventing further health complications. Adding ginger tea to your daily routine could be a simple, natural way to support better blood sugar management alongside a healthy lifestyle. Alleviates pain and inflammation. Ginger tea is a pretty powerful way to tackle pain and inflammation naturally. It's packed with compounds that help reduce inflammation in the body, which is often the underlying cause of many types of pain. When you drink ginger tea, these compounds work to block certain chemicals in the body that trigger inflammatory responses. This can be particularly helpful for anyone dealing with sore muscles after exercise or general joint pain. Ginger's effectiveness isn't just hearsay. Studies have actually shown that it can help relieve symptoms of chronic inflammatory conditions like arthritis. For people with arthritis, which involves painful and often debilitating inflammation in the joints, ginger tea can be an effective part of pain management. In fact, research has found that regular consumption of ginger can help reduce the pain and stiffness that arthritis patients experience, especially in the morning. It has been shown to improve overall mobility in some people. Imagine adding something as simple as ginger tea to your daily routine and finding that it helps you feel a bit more comfortable. So, whether you're dealing with post-workout soreness, chronic pain, or just occasional aches, ginger tea could be a natural way to bring some relief. Reduces risk of heart disease. Another reason ginger tea stands out is because of its benefits for heart health. Heart disease is one of the leading causes of death globally. Small daily habits, like drinking ginger tea, can make a real difference. Ginger can help improve cardiovascular health in a few ways, particularly by lowering LDL cholesterol, which is often called bad cholesterol. When you have high levels of LDL cholesterol, it can build up in your arteries, causing them to narrow and increase your risk of heart attacks and strokes. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that ginger can actually reduce LDL cholesterol levels, which is promising for anyone looking to take care of their heart health naturally. Ginger also has properties that can prevent blood clots from forming. Blood clots are a major risk factor for heart disease because they can block the flow of blood to the heart or brain, leading to serious health issues. The natural compounds in ginger work to improve circulation, which can help reduce the chances of these clots forming in the first place. So, by incorporating ginger tea into your morning routine, you're not only supporting your body's inflammation response, but also actively protecting your heart health. Aids mental health. Beyond physical health, ginger tea also has benefits for mental well-being. The antioxidants in ginger are excellent for brain health because they help fight off oxidative stress, which can damage brain cells over time. Oxidative stress has been linked to cognitive decline and conditions like Alzheimer's and dementia. So adding more antioxidants to your diet is a simple way to support long-term brain health. Ginger also contains bioactive compounds that some studies suggest can help with memory and improve overall cognitive function. Another interesting aspect of ginger's effect on mental health is its ability to reduce stress. Drinking ginger tea can have a calming effect, and it's even been found to influence levels of serotonin and dopamine, which are chemicals in the brain that affect mood. So, in addition to feeling more relaxed, regular ginger tea drinkers might also experience improved mental clarity and focus. Whether you're looking to reduce stress or support cognitive function as you age, ginger tea offers a natural way to support your mental health. Relieves nausea and motion sickness. Ginger tea has been trusted for centuries to relieve nausea, and there's a good reason for it. Whether you're feeling queasy from motion sickness, pregnancy, or even an upset stomach, ginger's natural compounds, especially gingerol, can help settle things down. Gingerol works on the digestive system, soothing it in a way that seems to calm those uncomfortable sensations that make you feel sick. Ginger tea is often used to counteract motion sickness, and it's gentle enough to be used during pregnancy when nausea can be at its peak. Studies have shown that ginger can be effective for reducing both the severity and frequency of nausea episodes, which makes it a fantastic natural option for those who want a remedy without turning to medication. This benefit is especially helpful because nausea can really interrupt your day, making it hard to focus or feel comfortable. Just a warm cup of ginger tea can make a big difference as it warms your stomach and starts working to settle any digestive issues. This is why so many people drink ginger tea before or during travel. It's a simple, natural way to prevent that awful feeling of motion sickness. And for pregnant women, especially in the early months when nausea is most common, ginger tea can be a soothing and effective option to keep the queasiness at bay. It's a go-to remedy that's safe, effective, and backed by years of use and study. Improves skin health. Ginger tea isn't just good for your insides, it can also benefit your skin. The antioxidants in ginger are what make this possible. Antioxidants are crucial for skin health because they help to neutralize free radicals, those unstable molecules that can damage your cells and lead to premature aging. By drinking ginger tea, you're actually helping your skin to stay healthier, clearer, and more resilient. Antioxidants protect your skin from oxidative stress, which can lead to breakouts, dullness, and even wrinkles over time. When your body is constantly battling oxidative stress, it shows on your skin. So adding antioxidants like those in ginger can really make a difference. Another skin benefit of ginger tea is that it promotes blood circulation. Better blood flow means that more oxygen and nutrients are reaching your skin cells, which can contribute to a natural, healthy glow. If you struggle with skin issues like acne, dullness, or sensitivity, drinking ginger tea might just help you see some improvement. Regularly adding ginger tea to your routine could give your skin the support it needs to fend off environmental stressors and stay looking fresh. Plus, because it's so hydrating, ginger tea also helps your skin stay moisturized, which is a key factor for a smooth, vibrant complexion. Detoxifies the body. Perhaps one of the most compelling benefits of ginger tea is its ability to detoxify the body. Detoxification is crucial because over time, toxins can build up in the body from various sources, like processed foods, environmental pollutants, and even stress. The liver plays a big role in filtering these toxins out of your system, but ginger tea can help to support this process. Ginger has compounds that stimulate the liver to work more efficiently, making it easier for your body to flush out unwanted substances. Drinking ginger tea regularly can act like a gentle cleanse, helping your body to get rid of these toxins more effectively. This detoxifying effect isn't just about the liver. Ginger tea helps stimulate the digestive system as well, which means waste moves through your body more efficiently. A healthier digestive system means that toxins don't linger, reducing the chances that they could have negative effects. Many people find that drinking ginger tea regularly makes them feel lighter and more energized because their bodies are working better internally. It's a gentle but powerful way to support your body's natural cleansing processes, making you feel refreshed from the inside out. To wrap it up, ginger tea isn't just a soothing drink, it's a powerhouse of health benefits. From improving digestion and reducing pain to keeping your heart healthy and boosting immunity. So next time you make your morning tea, consider going for ginger. You may just feel the difference in ways you never expected. See you in the next video.